everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Putrose Mimi, and today video we are diving into what happened during the 14 days after an embryo transfer. Is that very important 2 week wait, but I am here to help and guide you through it. Let's get started. The 14 days period after embryo transfer can be filled with anticipation, excitement, and sometimes anxiety. This is the time when you are waiting to find out if the embryo has implanted successfully and if you are pregnant, right? So, what should you expect during this crucial time? Let's break it down. Once the embryo transfer is done, your body begin to process for implantation. The embryo will try to attach to that uterine line, which is the first step towards pregnancy. During these 14 days, you will be closely monitored, and it's essential to stay calm and follow your doctor advice. After 10 days or so on, you may start noticing some symptoms might be or sign that your body is changing, but remember, each person experience is totally different. Some common symptoms during the 14 days weight include mild cramps, bloatings, sore breast, or mood swing. These could be sign of early pregnancy, but they can also be side effect of the medications you are taking like progesterone. It's very important not to panic or read or to watch too much and watching video, and if you getting a little bit change to your body, stay in tune with the feeling but not try to stress over it. I'm telling you, the emotional side of 14 days wait is often the hardest part. I know that it's normally to feel very hopeful or even overwhelmed with the uncertainty. Some days you might feel confident, and other day you might doubt about everything. During this time, self care is crucial. Talk to loved ones, do things that you really want to do or might be you enjoying doing those things, and keep your mind occupied with other activities. You are not alone in this. During the 14 days, it's very important to follow your doctor instructions very carefully. Rest when you need to, stay hydrated, eat well, and avoid anything which give you the stress. If your doctor advise no sex, physical activities or travel, make sure to those follow those guidelines to give you or give your embryo the best chance. Be gentle with yourself physically and emotionally. It's a delicate time and very fragile time, and you deserve all the rest and care. After the 14 days, it's time for your pregnancy test. You may have already been done like home test, but it's very important to remember that the final test will be a blood test, which is called beta HCG test. Don't and done at your fertility clinic. This test will give you the a very correct answer. If the test is positive, congratulations. If this negative, don't lose hope. Sometimes things don't work out right away, and there are still options to continue your journey. Regardless of the result, take time to process and take care of your mental health. If you receive positive news, then please celebrate it, but if it's negative, it's okay. It's okay to grieve. Lean on your support system and remember, there are always next step and option available. Talk to your doctor. Get all the information you need. and make sure you know what your options are moving forward. The 14 days wait can feel like a lifetime. But remember, no matter the outcome, you are doing something incredible. IF is a tough but beautiful journey. Be proud of yourself for going through it at least. I hope this video help you feel a little more prepared for what ahead. If you're going through the 14 days wait, I'm sending you all my love and support. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos on your fertility journey. I'm here for you every step of the way. Take care and I'll see you in the next video.